exercise 13.6. Our chapter is surface area and volume. We will discuss about the cylinder. For example, देखो बेटा सिलेंडर की जो शेप होती है हमारे पास वो ऐसी होती है. Base shape is as a circle and cylindrical shape as a pipe. So first of all, we will discuss about the formula of the cylindrical volume of cylinder, and we will use this formula for finding the capacity and quantity. Cylindrical shapes are like pipe, glass and cylinder. So our first question is, the circumference of the base of the cylindrical vessel is 132 cm and its height is 25 cm. How many liters of the water can it hold? In which question we will discuss about the capacity of the cylindrical vessel. So in capacity we will find out the volume of the cylinder. So we have height of the cylindrical given in a question is 25 cm and the circumference of the cylindrical base means base is the shape of the circle. 2 pi r equals to 132. So r equals to 132 by 2 pi. Then r equals to 132. Value of pi is 22 by 7. After solving we have 21 cm. So height is 25 cm. Radius is 21 cm and height is 25 cm. We find out the capacity. So we will use the formula volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Value of pi is 22 by 7. Value of r is 21 cm. So 21 into 21 because r square and height is 25 cm. 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21. After multiplication we have 34,650 cm cube. In this question we will find out the capacity in liter. So 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter and 1 centimeter cube equals to 1 upon 1000 liter. So 34,650 centimeter cube is equals to 34.65 liter. Okay, now next question is the inner diameter of the cylindrical wooden pipe. We have a wooden pipe like this type of shape. This is the shape of the cylindrical pipe, wooden pipe, and this one is the width. Means जो ये है हमने ये इसकी wood use करनी है, इसकी wood out find out करनी है हमें. जो इसका inner diameter है, means inner diameter is this one. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. ये रेडियस है हमारे पास, तो inner diameter यहाँ तक है हमारे पास. Given is 24 cm. And outer diameter means complete this one. Outer diameter is equals to 28 cm. So in this question, given height of the pipe is 35 cm and the inner diameter of pipe is 24 cm. So radius equals to 24 by 2 means 12 cm. After that in this question, its outer diameter is 28 cm. The length of the pipe is 35 cm. Length of the pipe means height. Height is 35 cm. Outer diameter of the pipe is 28 cm. Radius equals to 28 by 2 means 40 cm and height given by 35 cm. Find the mass of the pipe. Mass means weight. In this we find out the mass of the pipe. If 1 centimeter cube of the wood has mass of 0.6 gram, volume of the wood used in the making this pipe, pi capital R square minus small r square and h. In this question we use formula this because we find out the capacity means mass. मास फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमारे पास जो इसकी अंदर वाली कैपेसिटी है, हमने ये वाली ओपन है, मतलब हमारा जो मटेरियल यूज हुआ है वो इसके आउटर इसके बीच वाले एरिया में यूज हुआ है. तो हम जो कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर है मीन्स ये कैपिटल आर बड़ा और स्मॉल को माइनस करेंगे तभी हमारे पास जो ये इसकी कैपेसिटी है जितनी वुड यूज हुई है वो हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. तो वैल्यू ऑफ पाई इज 22 by 7 एंड कैपिटल आर इज 14 स्क्वायर माइनस स्मॉल आर इज 12 स्क्वायर. 7 1s are 7 and 7 5s are 35. फॉर्मूला यानी कि आइडेंटिटीज ऑफ ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज ए माइनस बी एंड ए प्लस बी. 14 माइनस 12 इज 2 एंड 14 प्लस 12 इज 26. सो हमारे पास जो वुड यूज हुई है इन सेंटीमीटर में 5720 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, बट वी फाइंड आउट द कैपेसिटी इन मास ऑफ 0.6 सेंटीमीटर. सो 1 सेंटीमीटर cube equals to 0.6 gram. We have 5720 centimeter cube. 5720 equals to 0.6. तो हमारे पास ग्राम में जो है